slime. So we're going to be making some and trying it out.
Yeah,
let's do it. Oh. First thing we're gonna do is unscrew the lid and yeah, we're gonna just do that.
Look at the bubbles. That is fun. Huh.
We filled up our glue bottles with warm water and we are going to dump it into the glue.
We are whisking away.
How
do we know when this is done?
Where's my phone? I don't know if we're doing this right. Okay.
Real good. We're gonna add color to it.
We're gonna add our food coloring.
I'm doing red.
I'm doing blue. Just a drop.
Red's my favorite color.
I don't really have a favorite color, but I can't decide between orange and green. Madison!
Now we're gonna whisk it up.
We're gonna whisk it up.
Look at mine! Mine looks good, guys.
Mine looks like a piece of poop on a stick. What we are now going to do is get warm water.
We're gonna do 2 of these. You are in the way, boo.
Oh my gosh, I'm your brother.
I need like a spoon. This isn't gonna stir in mine. Here, take it.
Ah.
Stir in water and borax. What?
It smells like. It smells like lemonade.
No, it doesn't.
Just kidding. You can smell water and borax. Or borax and lemonade. Now we're going to mix our borax water with our glue water until there's like sticky. We're going to stir while we do it. Use your paddle or spoon. Madison, no!
What?
Don't use the wooden spoon.
Why?
Madison.
Crap. You're kidding.
How did you do that?
I'm professional.
No, you're not. Oops.
Okay.
I didn't move the camera. Madison.
Oh, sorry.
Now we mix our hands into it and make it slimy.
It smells weird.
I don't understand how people like this.
It feels so cool. It's still not like they do on the commercials.
Commercials?
Videos, whatever. Ew, it just feels like gum. Like it's disgusting. Looks like a failure to me. I don't know.
Looks like butt, smells like
Mom,
butt.
you want to see it?
Madison, look, it's your twin.
That's so mean. Alright guys, this, I think it wasn't really a fail. It just wasn't like model status slime.
It's just too much. We thought it'd be fun to do more, but it's not.
I think it's cool. We're gonna keep this. And maybe we'll do a giveaway with it.
How are we gonna?
Who wants to keep our slime? And the more you mix it, the better it feels, guys.
So it's getting better. So this isn't a fail.
Yeah.
I give this a 10 out of 10 to be honest. Completely honest. The more I'm messing around with it, the more it's getting dry. So I can actually, the more it's getting more dry and I can play with it. This is pretty good.
It's
I like
fun.
it.
Yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching this video.
I hope you enjoyed it because we did.
Like pizzas. Give it a big like.
Boom. And then go down below, hit the subscribe button, turn the bell notification on. So you know when we post and see awesome, cool, slimy, fun stuff like this.
Comment down if you want to keep one of these.
This is so cool. Hope you guys enjoy this. We'll see y'all next time.
Bye!